In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify into your WordPress site seamlessly. This process allows you to harness the e-commerce powers of Shopify while maintaining the flexibility and control of a WordPress website. It's perfect for anyone looking to add a simple shopping feature to their site without fully committing to a standalone e-commerce platform. Don't worry if you're new to this. I'll guide you through each step meticulously to ensure your integration is successful. We'll start over in your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, you need to navigate to Sales Channels. Here, you'll see an option to Add Channel. From the list, choose Buy button and go ahead and install it. The Buy button acts as a bridge between Shopify and WordPress, making it possible for your WordPress visitors to buy products directly from your Shopify store without any hassle. After you've installed the Buy button, click on Buy button in the Sales Channels list. Now, you're ready to create your first Buy button. Click on Create Buy button and you'll be given the choice to either select a single product or an entire collection. Consider what you want to display on your WordPress site. Single products are great for spotlighting a specific item, while collections work well if you want to give your audience a range of options to choose from. Once you've selected your product or collection, you'll have the opportunity to customize its appearance. This includes adjusting colors and layouts to ensure the Buy button aligns with your site's design aesthetic. Remember, a well-integrated design can enhance user experience by providing a seamless transition from browsing to buying. After customization, click Generate, and this will provide you with the embed code. Be sure to copy this code carefully, as it's what connects the Buy button on your WordPress site with your Shopify store. Now let's jump over to WordPress. Log into your site where you want to add the Shopify functionality. You'll need to determine where you want the Buy button to appear, whether it's a specific page, blog post, or even in the sidebar or footer. Once you know where it should go, navigate to that area in your WordPress admin panel. Use a custom HTML block to paste the Shopify embed code. If you're adding it to a page or post, you can do this directly in the WordPress editor. For the sidebar or footer, look for the HTML widget option, which can be found under the Widgets section of your WordPress dashboard. After pasting the code, preview your changes to make sure everything looks good. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and publish. At this point, your visitors can click on the Add to Cart button. This will trigger a secure Shopify checkout pop-up, all without them ever having to leave your WordPress site. They can complete their purchase with peace of mind, knowing their payment information is secure. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Shopify into your WordPress site, offering a streamlined shopping experience for your users. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.